Hello friends, welcome to Central London. So excited to show you some places, some street performance. So let's begin our journey.
Sage? Alright, perfect, mate. How old are you, buddy? Hey, alright, so, Sage, get inside the suitcase, all the way down. Sage, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just put your hand outside the suitcase and give me a thumbs up. Alright, he's with me. Just stay there for a minute.
My heart is dry. I'm laughing out loud. I don't think about it all the time, but when I do, I wonder why. Yeah, I think a while I might go on, just like I did before. I know I said that I was shy, but reaching can't imagine all. One day, baby, we'll be old. Oh, baby, here I go again, the flame together, pain, the hurt, the shame, the pounding, times of our pain. Baby, the old, oh baby, the old, and think of all the stories that we could have told. One day, the old, oh baby, yeah, woo, stories that we could have told. I said, oh, baby.
been a pleasure performing for you. And if If you're wondering who this random bearded Swedish man singing songs to you in the middle of Leicester Square is, very nice to meet you. My name is Satre. You can find it on the sign here if you're wondering how that spells. I made it myself, this sign, believe it or not. Yeah, homemade. Yeah, I'm a full-time singer-songwriter and street performer here in London. So this is actually my job, believe it or not. So thank you so much for your kind donations. It helps a long way in surviving. So thank you. When I moved here about 5 years ago, I used to work in an office, but thanks to lovely people like yourselves. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go, where to play the right music, getting in the swing. You come to look for a king. Anybody could be that guy. Now he's young and the music's what? Yeah. Get a bit of rock music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for a dance. And when you get, do you want to sing it with me? Let's go. You are the dancing queen. You're the sweet only 17.
Alright, let's go much more higher to it.
Alright, music. Okay. Let's go, come on.
Everybody says sushi. Yeah, we love it.
Hey, sir, thank you. Oh, what's your name? Oscar. Okay, everybody say, hi, Oscar. Hi, Oscar. Perfect. And take it. Thank you for coming and thank you for help us. Oh, what's your name? Saib. Okay, everybody say, hi, Saib. Perfect. Thank you for help us. Yes, superhero. Thank you very much. And, hey, sir, thank you for coming. Thank you very much. What's your name? Peter. Okay, Peter, so, your position is very dangerous, so everybody say, bye, Peter. Just kidding, it's a joke. Oh yeah, we are professional, okay? Don't nervous. You will die, okay? Alright, let's go grand finale. Axel, are you ready? Alright, let's go grand finale. Everybody, are you ready? Yeah! Everybody, together, one more time. Are you ready? Yeah! Alright, let's go. Are you ready? Okay, perfect. Okay, everybody. Okay. Alright, let's go, everybody! Go! Everybody, go, break this down! Everybody, go! Keep going! Go! Stronger! Faster! Stronger! Alright, let's go! 3, 2, 1! Come on, make some noise!
3, 2, 1. Come on and make some noise. We show you much more higher, much more difficult. Focus. Look. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hey. Not yet. Make some noise now. Come on. Perfect. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Okay. Anyway. Big trick. I fly so high, okay? Very high. Very big backflip. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wanna make some noise? Come on. Please come front. Alright. Please hold middle and straight your arm like this, hiya, okay? And count down on 3. I say 3, 2, 1. Come on, you throw the knife to my right hand. This is my right hand. 3, 2, 1. Come on, you throw the knife to my right, okay? This is my right hand. This is not my right hand. Please right here. Alright, let's go first time. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Perfect. Alright, let's go bigger next. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Last one is very important. He throws the knife, then I catch and juggle, okay? So when I start juggling, everybody beat, clap, cheer, make some noise for him, okay? Not me, not us, for him. And I show you my special trick, okay? So please enjoy till the end. Alright, let's go last night. You throw it perfect. You can do it. Let's go, last one. 3, 2, 1. Come on, make some noise. Come on! Thank you very much. Alright, we show you a special trick. Do you want to see tricks? Say yeah. Double spin. 2 in 1 hand. Last one is very important. Watch my left leg. Eyes on me. Focus. 3, 2, 1. Come on! Thank you very much. Everybody hold. Nobody leave. Everybody stay. Please raise the last.
Now we are going to meet one of our friends, so we'll meet soon again with second half of video. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.